Hello and welcome back to my channel. I have another bullet journal setup video for you today. I am working hard on kind of churning these videos out and using it as an opportunity obviously to show off my stickers. So this week's kit I'm using is called Poisoned Apple, based on Snow White. So you see these little full boxes, and you've got some kind of quarter boxes and bits and pieces down the side there. And then we have some little things, build yous, a couple of like 3 checklist boxes, like a half box, couple of half boxes, checklists, a couple of flags, check boxes, some icons, bottom washi, a couple of quarter boxes, and a little mini weekend banner, then your day covers, washi, deco, some like little headers, and some half boxes. So there's the kit, and the colours I'm going to be basing it on for my background are going to be the yellow, red, blue and purple, kind of the ones that I have in the kit. So this is my journal. I had a couple of questions about this from last week's video and Instagram posts. So this is my citrus book bindery journal. I am about halfway through now. So 121. Yeah, pretty much bang on halfway through. They make custom journals, and you can essentially have any style that you like, with different colour covers. You can have different coloured stitching and ribbons and everything. So this is a layflat journal, which means that at any point that you open it up, it lays flat, which is really lovely when you're working in a bullet journal like this. I have there's my binding. Kind of binding you get on the lay flat journal. You can have one which is closed off, but it doesn't lay flat all the way through. So this is my preferred style of journal. I actually have the exact same journal ready and waiting to go for my next one, and I had a bigger one of these last year, but I preferred working in a smaller size. So that's my next journal ready. The paper I use is 120 GSM. It's slightly smoother than their other paper, but it's still nice and thick. It's not too thick, so you get like a decent number of pages in there. And it holds watercolour and pen and like colouring pens and everything really well, which is why I like it. You have 2 elastics to hold it all closed. You can have a pocket at the back. I don't have one because I don't use it, so I didn't see the point in putting one in. And you get 3 ribbons, which, as you can see, I'm rubbish at using. This is last week's spread. The kit was Winter Wonder. There you go. It's Sunday, so I've got the last little bits to fill in there. I use my bullet journal more as a memory keeping spread, and this is kind of what's left of the kit. So I just store that in on the page. And I'm going to be working on 2 pages this week, because I like the Dutch door style spreads that I've been using. It works really well for me, gives me enough space to do what I want to do. I have some watercolours, some really old watercolours, really basic ones from W.H. Smith's, which I got years and years and years ago, and a Staedtler Pigment liner 1.2. These are the ones I love using for the outlines of my boxes, because they give a really nice thick dark line. But they're also waterproof, so once it goes down it doesn't smear or smudge when I put the watercolour over the top, and it's nicer doing it this way than it is to put the watercolour down first because drawing on top of watercolour tends to make it feels really grainy when you go over the top, and also it wears my pens out a lot quicker. And if I use a pen other than like a pigment liner, the ink tends to spread. So if I do the lines first, it kind of gets rid of all those issues. So I'm going to pass you over to some music while I set it all up. Okay, so My pages are now nice and dry and ready for the stickers. So there we are. So here's my final spread. We have the day set out. I've got a checklist for my meals this week, a to-do list, and in the box some kind of countdown or something. 4 boxes. Here's a big sticker that I use. Saves me drawing anything out, and I've already drawn them myself because these are my stickers. So it kind of just saves time. And then I use the deco down the bottom. Here's the second half of the week. So we've got rest of the 4 boxes, days, and then the bottom washi. So nice and simple. Same layout as last week. And then this is what I have left. I've got my lots of little things, which I probably won't use most of these, but I will use the smaller ones here. Some checklists, some flags. Some 3 heart check boxes, some half boxes. I've got a quarter box, some more half boxes, some headers, checklist. I've got some more check boxes, checklists, some icons, a couple of quarter boxes, and a very mini weekend banner, and last few quarter boxes and appointment labels. So I'm gonna slot these inside here, and I can use them throughout the week, and that's it. That's my spread. So the only other thing I have to show you is my new releases for this week. So this week my new release is my To the Stars. So this is my space kit. We have the 4 boxes, Little Things, Deco, the date covers and the bottom washi, the check boxes, the half boxes and the headers. So that's the full kit. It also comes available as a mini kit slash bullet journal kit. So there's your 4 boxes, your little things, check boxes and icons and bottom washi, and then we have the day covers, some half boxes, some headers and some washi and deco there. So these kits will be available on Saturday. It comes, as I said, as a full kit or a mini slash bullet journal kit. It also comes as a hobo kit. And the other new release will be these Space Bob stickers. So we have Bob in his spacesuit, some rockets with personal space, and then we have some aliens, and then the script says out of this world, and then we have some Bob and his rocket ships, and then it says need space underneath. So these are the new releases for Saturday. This is my kit for this week, my spread. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already, click the like button and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!